Should be a master. We have a 2009 Nissan Murano. Show you what to do if the cigarette lighters no longer work because you used your phone or whatever. So the front's got a separate fuse. The rear's got a separate one. The first one is located. The front one's located under the steering wheel to the left here. There's a little cover. And there's a box. If you flip it over, you'll see a little template. And it shows you that the cigarette lighter is right there. It'll show you clearly right there. So it's this fuse number 15. So otherwise you have to, if the rear lighter's out, that could also affect the rear too. I don't know if they're linked together or not, but the one for the rear is under the hood. There's a fuse box under there. And it's going to be this one right here. We removed it. It's a 15. There's also a template under the hood. So you replace that. This one was blown, and we're going to replace that, and it should work. Get your cigarette lighters working on a Nissan Murano.